If Beehiiv says failed to load, don't worry. In most cases, this is a browser issue, an extension conflict, or a temporary server problem that you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest way to troubleshoot the issue step by step so you can get back into your Beehiiv dashboard without guessing and without wasting time. If this tutorial helps you, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and easy how-to guides. First, start with a hard refresh. A normal refresh does not always clear the problem, but a hard refresh forces your browser to reload the page fresh. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5 together. On a Mac, press Command, Shift and R. After that, give Beehiiv another try and see if the page loads normally. If the issue is still there, the next best step is to test Beehiiv in Incognito Mode or a private window. Open a new Incognito or private browsing window, then sign in again and check whether our Beehiiv loads properly there. If it works in Incognito Mode, that usually means your regular browser session has a cache problem, a cookie issue, or an extension is interfering with the site. That brings us to the next fix, clearing your cache and cookies. Open your browser settings, go to privacy or browsing data, and clear cached images, files, and cookies. Once that is done, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try loading Beehiiv again. Sometimes old data gets stuck in the browser and causes pages to fail, so this step is often the real fix. If the problem still continues, disable your extensions one by one, especially ad blockers, VPN extensions, tracker blockers, and privacy tools. These can sometimes block scripts Beehiiv needs to load correctly. Turn them off temporarily, then refresh the page and check again. If Beehiiv works after disabling an extension, you found the cause. At that point, you can keep that extension off for Beehiiv or adjust its settings so it does not interfere. Finally, if none of those steps work, check the Beehiiv server status before spending more time troubleshooting. Sometimes the issue is not on your device at all. It may be an outage, maintenance window, or a temporary platform-side error. If Beehiiv is down, the only real fix is to wait until the service is restored. So to recap, try a hard refresh, test in Incognito Mode, clear cache and cookies, disable suspicious extensions, and check the server status. These simple steps solve most Beehiiv fail to load issues very quickly. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.